Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On the occasion of my grandparents' 62nd anniversary, we decided to have a Haldi and Mehendi function at home followed by lunch and dinner. So this is the area that we decided to turn into the venue for the ceremony. This is the portion we used for Mehendi. I had done a Mehendi decor earlier for my parents' anniversary. In case you haven't watched it, I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. You guys can check it out. And this portion was used for Haldi, so let's get started with our first DIY. For creating the Mehendi backdrop, I took two cotton fabrics of pink and yellow color. I hand stitched it together to join the fabrics. For covering the windows, I taped two cardboards together on which I stapled the adjoint fabrics. Then for creating a border, I took a jute rope and stuck it on the fabric. I also used jute rope to create a design on the pink fabric. And on the yellow fabric, I decided to do stencil printing. I then set up the backdrop against the window and used orange, yellow and white marigold flowers to decorate it. For creating a Haldi backdrop, I again took a cardboard and stapled a green colored cotton fabric on it. You must be thinking green is symbolic to Mehendi, so why did I choose it for Haldi? Well, I just thought to swapping the colors. I then cut cardboard for creating 4 windows and used flowers and mirrors for decorating the entire backdrop. The third DIY are photo frames. For making these frames, I use cardboard and flowers. I then hung these frames with thread on a wire. I used a handmade curtain to cover a window. If you wish to see how I made this curtain, you can refer to the second episode of my small balcony makeover series, for which I will leave the link in the description box below. Lastly, I made a flower rangoli in the center for separating the two setups. So here is the final look, followed by some pictures of the function. for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Do let me know how you liked it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon with the second part of the video with a traditional style lunch and a western style dinner.